morning, Junaid Bhatt. I was one of the fortunate educators from Palmview Secondary School to attend your workshop last week. My name is Mrs. C. Niranjan. I am a mathematics educator at Palmview Secondary School. My teaching experience is 17 years, 4 years at a primary school and the other 13 at high schools. The classes that I attended from my lot were two matric classes, which I teach mathematical literacy. I was very impressed with your course. The learners were very attentive, and when I came to class the other day and I screamed, "I believe I'm a winner," and they responded, so that was good. And I asked them, they wrote, in fact, when they came back to school, the first cycle test that they wrote was my maths literacy test. I can immediately see that there is some improvement. I explained to them, did you do 20 minutes? And some of them did respond, and they said they did apply the 20-minute rule. In addition to that, I'm hoping to see better results with them in the future, and perhaps you can come back and have a look at those results. And I've also spread the graph, the 1 hour versus the 20-minute graph, with my grade 9s, and I showed them the concentration level and my grade 8s, and they were quite impressed with that. I believe your program has a lot of potential. I mean, if you had those kids involved and you had their attention from the time we walked in till the time we left, that is excellent. It just shows you that your program is working. Any questions from you, Junaid?
Thank you.